Hey, hey, Lizzard, smoking Lizzard, right here with you guys again. Wanting to say Merry Christmas. Dakota, say Merry Christmas. I said hi. All right. Hey, listen, what we got going on, we had a few turkeys to do and a ham, so that's what we got going on right now. Just wanted to show you guys how they're looking. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. I'm the next thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna base them with the juices I got under the bottom, and man, it's gonna be a treat. You just stay tuned. Oh, let me also show you what I'm gonna do after it's on for about 2 hours. I'm gonna take those off the grill, and excuse me, Mama. And here we are. Turkey's gonna go on top of those. I'm gonna finish them up on Big Mama and make it do what it do. But right now, Maxwell is rolling, smoking with that cherry wood, man. Hey, such a great day. Ready to make some folks happy. I'm, and I would love for you to continue sending in those uh, responses. And I'm loving every bit of it, man. I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. We love y'all. Ain't a damn thing you can do about it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll be back. Come on, Coda. Hey, hey, back at you. Mission complete. All we doing now is letting the lizard juice um, bake on these turkeys. Come and check us out. There it is. There they are, man. Mm-mm-mm. It's gonna be some kind of tasty, man. Yeah, I got a call. Uncle Fred said, I need you to cut one of those turkeys in half and pan it with another turkey. So we did that, man. It came out great. I wish I could taste them, but I can't. They're for someone else. So yeah. So this is what we got going on right now. Yeah, as you can see, I snuck a piece of ham, and it was delicioso. So now we're gonna get this packaged up and ready to go. I know part of it is going to Somerville, and another part is going to Columbia. That's like about an hour and a half away from Ridgeville. So that's what we're doing now, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You see that thumbs up button? Hit that little thumbs up and let me know you like it. Hey, but listen, we're gonna be starting. It's late in the day, but we're gonna be starting on our meal, and stay tuned. We're gonna show you how we get down with some legs and some cabbage. Come on. Hey y'all, back at it, man. I told you we we got rid of the turkeys. They're on en route to their destinations, and we still rolling. We we took a ham off. Woo. Yes, sir, and it's ready. Smells delicioso. I can smell that pineapple. Smells delicious. Yes, man, but check it out. So now it's time for us to do a little something for us. So we got this. He said since we're outside, we're gonna we're gonna roast some chicken legs or drumsticks, whatever you want to call them, right out here on the Barbie. That's some stuffing I had. And let me see. We just put this cabbage on. Uh, and it's cabbage and andouille sausage. Onions, red onions, spring onions, garlic, and seasoning of your liking. Yeah, so we're gonna let that go so we can get ourselves fed. I don't know if you can see it in my eyes, but man, I am tired out here cooking all day, making it happen, Captain. Make it do what it do, and after it do, it did done data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hang in there. We're gonna be finished in a few. We're gonna see you. Hey, hey, back at you. Y'all hear them dogs over there? Woo! Still holding on, y'all. Uh, let's take a look, see at this cabbage. Chicken looking good, but one thing I've noticed, yeah, that's good. That's ready. Cabbage on the barbie, y'all. That's gonna come off. And one thing I know about my babe, she likes crispy skin on the chicken. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go put it directly and let that skin crisp up. And we'll give it a flip because we're about at temp. We're not fully there yet, but we're close. We are close. Closer than close. Yeah. And what y'all think I'm gonna do with that excess right there? Those onions, I can tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take that. Come on now. I'm gonna take that, those vegetables, and I'm gonna add them to my cabbage. That's what I'm gonna do. Just to give it some extra flavor. So yeah, here we are. Are we saucing these? Or you want to do half and half? We'll sauce half and go straight up with the other ones. The other ones be straight up. But yeah, that's what we got going on, y'all. Uh-oh. Oh. That's what we got going on. And it's about time because I'm ready to eat. So I'm ready to move my feet. Ready to eat, move your feet. We'll be back. It's coming. Delicioso, Lizzerific, baby. Hey, hey, if you're ready to eat, move your feet. And I'm ready to eat, y'all. Check it out. Oh, yeah. It's complete. Mm. Oh, yeah. I am so ready. Hey, hey, what's going on? Somebody pulling in. Got that andouille sausage with that cabbage. Oh, my goodness. That stuffing, my goodness, I tell y'all, this is something really nice here. Now, this is the chicken without sauce. Mm-hmm. Right straight through the skin. I'm trying to tell you, excuse me. Woo! Delicioso. The smoking lizard has done it again. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and looking forward to everyone having a prosperous New Year. And guess what? My family done pull up on me. We got Gary. Come on. Ricky. I'm sorry. That's Ricky. Too much light? Right. Ricky and his sons. Y'all say hey to my YouTube channel. All right. Merry Christmas, guys. Yes. Now, like I was saying, y'all, don't forget, I love you, and ain't a damn thing you can do about it. Hope you enjoyed this Christmas dinner and turkeys that I made, and we'll see you when we see you. And that's the first chance we get. One love. Out in 5,000, baby.